Tang-ina, naging English teacher ako. Tapos di naman ako magaling mag-English. Shit, paano to? Basta, hindi ko na lang ipapahalata sa kanila.
Okay, everything. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, if there's nothing know my name here, I know all of you not know my name.
Huh?
My name is...
What?
My name is...
What?
My name is...
What?
Chika Slim Shady.
Corny.
No. I'm just Kidney.
Huh?
You know,
Kidney?
my real name is Bintana. You can call me Sir Bintana.
Okay, Sir Bintana.
But before we start, I just want to remind you all that only in here class, in this class, in this class, if I am the teacher that teaching you, all of you, I don't allowed any language speaking. Okay? Do you understood?
Opo.
And I want to told you that I am a very kind person. A very kind teacher. Just please be kind to me. Right? Because if you're kind to me, I'm kind to you. They understood?
Opo.
Okay. Before we start, I want to introduce myself very clear. Okay? So that's my name. My name is Bintana. You can call me Sir Bintana. And I am born at a very young age. And I am housed in Batangas City. And it's because this is the first time this is the first day of our school. I will not teach you and give you time to relax.
Ano daw?
And you can do whatever your business. You can do whatever you want. And I will do whatever I want. So magtatagalog na ako.
Yo, nagtatagalog naman pala.
Kanina pa akong nahihirapan eh. Sa madaling salita, may mga free time kayo, pwede kayong mag-relax kasi kakapasok lang naman natin. Pwede kayong mag-cellphone kung gusto nyo. Kasi ako, magsa-cellphone din ako, maglalaro ko ng Eggy Party.
Ha, sir? Anong Eggy Party?
Oh my God! Hindi mo alam yung Eggy Party?
Sir, hindi eh.
Yung Eggy Party, para siyang parkour. Tapos cute siyang laruin, di ba? Nagtatatalong kayo, paunahan sa finish line. Tapos yung pinakahuling aabot sa finish line, tanggal na. Kasi elimination yun. Tapos pwede kayong makipaglaro sa mga friends nyo. Sabay-sabay kayong magpa-level up, ganun. So pwede nyo rin akong kalaro.
Sir,
kung
tara
gusto
maglaro,
nyo mag-download, no, nandun lang yun sa link ko. Tapos laro tayong lahat.